As tears go by, that's what we're doing today. Bar chords. Whoa. All right. In one of the videos, I think it was 3 or 4 days ago, we did the open position. Now we're going to be doing bar chords. Main purpose here is if you're playing two guitars, somebody's doing the D chord here, okay? You can go, okay, there's a contrast. Let's just check the tuning here. Something sounded a little bit weird. Yeah, it's the B string. G. And just in case you're wondering that, you know, you put your guitar in tune and then all of a sudden it goes out of tune, whether your home's air conditioned, not air conditioned, heat, cold, that's all going to mess with you, especially nylon strings. Okay, we're rocking here. All right, first chord we're going to do. You might recognize that from the open string situation because the chords are exactly the same. I don't think I need to go through that it's 4/4 time, you know, the repeat of the chord, all that. Okay, let's look at the first chord that we're going to do. It's going to be in the 5th position. Okay, 5th position. We're getting a photo of that. Okay, let's see. Is that looking better here? Okay, getting a good look at that. All right. I'm going to go through the chords, the fingerings, okay? D chord, 5th position. Here's what it looks like. All right, now what I did with these charts, and something that, because I got a question on how do I know where to put my finger across. All right, when they say 5th position, it's right before the 5th fret. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th fret. We're right before it. That's the 5th position. All right, so from this point on, when you see these charts that I have the bars on, where you see that pink line going across, that's the, in this case, 5th fret. All right, because I got a question that someone wasn't sure about that. Okay, so we're fixing that. This is the reason why comments, or you know, sometimes I get it not just with YouTube, I might see it on Facebook. Someone will say, hey John, like that. So you know, I prefer it being in comments, but however you get in contact with me with your questions, I'll be more than happy to respond. All right, again, 5th position, boom, boom, boom. Next chord, E. Now all we're doing is we're going to move up 2 frets, okay? So 5, 6, 7, the same position, same fingering. So what's happening here? Okay, we have okay, now the next chord, and this one we're putting at the 3rd fret on purpose, okay, because what's happening is we're going to go from this form to the G chord with this form. Are we getting a shot of that? And we see it on here. Okay, I'm hoping that we're familiar with part of this, but if not, this should give you an excellent indication. All right, so we're going here, here, here. Now here's the great part. The chord after this, did I get it in the right order? Yes, it's the A chord. All right, it's the 5th fret. It's like this and like this. So what did we notice just jumped out at us? This and this, same chord form. This and this, same chord form. All right, let's do the first 4 bars. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and again, this is a leap from here to here. It's a leap. Okay, how do you say? It's not the best way to do it, but I want you to practice it that way. I'm going to show you before the video's over some of the alternates and why some of these chord forms that we've been learning and that you say, oh, this one's hard, why it's going to make a big difference. All right, and I will do a separate video on another one on As Tears Go By, and I will show you all the different ways that this can be played. All right, so the only chord that's missing now is when we get to the middle part of the tune, the B minor chord. All right, now we could use this B minor, but preferably I don't have it in this page. Okay, it's something I left out. All right, let me put that down here. 7th fret. See the B minor? All right, we're taking the bar, 7th fret. Okay, remember, this is the 7th fret. And then we're skipping a fret and putting our 3rd finger on the 5th string, 9th fret, pinky, 4th string, 9th fret. Okay? Jumping right to this part here. Watch what happens. Dun, 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 da, ba, ba, da, 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 da. You see what happened there? So we went G to A, and it goes to the D, and then we're going up here to the B minor. Then we're coming back to the G. To D, da, da, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 2, 2. Then we're back to the top. Okay? Now, before we close out on this video, just want you to hear one thing. Okay? Listen to the contrast when, if you're playing here. So when you have the two guitars playing the same chord, but in different places, or the technical term, different inversions, it sort of fattens that sound right out. And this is what we're trying to accomplish. I know sometimes we do the same song, but it's that way, you know that song, you could play it multiple ways. All right, and as we're doing additional tunes, I won't have to say, okay, we're going to do open, we're going to do this, we're going to do it closed, we're going to use this bar chord or that bar chord, because now you're going to sort of fall into it and say, hey, you know, I don't know, do I like that D chord here? Do I like it here? Maybe I like it here. You know, you're going to be able to do it. All right? Hey, if you like what you hear, give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Okay? And again, as always, comments are welcome. Have a nice day.